Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use PIN in Talabat app. Now, Talabat occasionally uses a PIN, which is a personal identification number, as a delivery verification method for certain orders. When a PIN is required, it helps confirm that the order has been handed to the correct customer before the delivery is marked as complete. So not every order requires a PIN, and you cannot manually enable or disable this feature. It is assigned by Talabat for selected deliveries. If your order requires a PIN, then follow the steps I'm going to walk you through. Open the Talabat app and place your order as you normally would, which I've done right here. Now, after checkout, you can track your order in real time from preparation until it reaches your delivery address. So let's say you've placed your order. Once your order has been confirmed, just open the Active Orders tab from the Orders section by clicking on Orders at the bottom corner of your screen. And then it's going to take you here. So you're going to find your order, your active order here. Now, if a PIN is required, the app will display a PIN on the order tracking screen before the rider arrives. Now, not every order includes this verification step. Before the rider arrives, do not share the PIN with anyone else. Keep it ready so you can provide it when the rider delivers your order, and only give the PIN after you have received your order. Why? Because this helps ensure your order is delivered in the to the correct person. All right, so when the rider arrives at your delivery location, just confirm that you have received your order. The rider may ask you for the PIN displayed in your Talabat app. If your order doesn't require a PIN, the rider won't ask for one. So read the PIN exactly as it appears in your Talabat app. The rider enters the PIN into the delivery app to verify the handover and complete the delivery. After the rider enters the correct PIN, the order is marked as successfully delivered, and your order status updates delivered in the Talabat app. You can then rate your order and the delivery experience if prompted. If you can't see your PIN, you can just open the Talabat app, go to Active Orders, go to your order, click on the order button at the bottom of your screen. Then check the order tracking screen again. If the PIN still isn't visible, but the rider is requesting one, you can just go ahead and contact Talabat customer support through the in-app help or support section for assistance. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.